How to grow your nails naturally and fast. If you wanted to be a gorgeous lady, nails maybe help you to be that. Your nail is one of the key elements of your beauty. If you have some beautiful nails, it symbolizes you are aware about your beauty. It will convert you to become gorgeous. There are more women are trying to grow their nails in artificial way. Maximum times they are failed. Then they use artificial nail that's not the right things of your natural beauty. In this video, I will discuss some tips which will help you to grow your nails naturally and almost quickly. At first, it should discuss about the reason why it's lazy your nails growth. There are so many reasons for that. Some of are irregular food consumption. If you follow a diet list which is not appropriate for you, it may be the effect to grow your nails. If you have the habit to nail teething, it can stop your nails growth. If you use nail polish so more. If you use chemical remover so more, it can stop your nail growth. If you do not moisturize your nail, there are some works like metal bar wash, cloth washing can stop your nail growth and it will damage your nail beauty. Let's go to the topics. Which natural home remedy can fast your nail growth? If I wanted to tell about nail growth natural remedy, at first I have to tell about olive oil. There are no alternative option to moisturize your nail without olive oil. It can be friends of your nails care. It performs well for nails care. It will go to the deep of your nails and skin and force to grow your nails quickly. Little bit warm some olive oil before you are going to bed. Then massage this oil over your nails. Then go to bed with wearing cotton hand socks. You may sink your nails at least 15 to 30 minutes in the lukewarm olive oil. Do this every day, it will grow your nails quickly and naturally. Lemon juice. There are so much vitamin C in lemon juice which is very essential for grow your nails fast. It can remove the yellow scratch from your nails. Take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, then mix it and make lukewarm it. Sink your nails at least 10 minutes. Otherwise, take a piece of lemon and rub it over nails at least 5 minutes. Then wash it with lukewarm water. Then apply moisturizer. Do this one time in every day. After some day, you should see the growth of your nails. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the effective elements in nail growth. It will moisturize your nails and make it stronger. It can remove bacteria and fungus from nails. Massage your nails with lukewarm coconut oil. Leave it full night, then wash it off in the morning. Otherwise, take 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of honey and 4 drops of rosemary oil. Then mix them well, then warm it and sink your nails into at least 15 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times in a week. It will give you good result. Your nail is one of the key elements of your beauty, so be careful about its beauties. If you have the habits of teething nails, stop it now. Regular moisturize your nails. Use petroleum jelly to do this. Keep some balanced nutritious food in your diet list. You may keep your nails in the morning sun. It will absorb vitamin D from the sun, which is very essential for your nails growth. You may take some vitamin to grow your nails fast. If you wanted to do this, at first you should talk to a dermatologist. This is the tips for your nails growth. I think it will help you. If you feel better, you may share this video with your friends. If you wanted to know more, feel free to write us. Visit www.healthandbeauty.com. Press subscribe button to join us with health and beauty.